Hey there! Are you a plumber providing your services for homes and commercial buildings in your area? If yes, then you need the right quality plumbing and drainage system in order to ensure that the job is done well and your customers are satisfied. One of the main reasons behind this is that using the wrong pipe brand can cause a lot of issues, such as inconsistent quality of product, more skill and care required during installation, failures after installation, lack of proper training and technical support, minimal growth opportunities and benefits, harmful solvent cements. All these problems will not only increase the installation time and workload, but also lead to frequent complaints and hence poor customer satisfaction, thus affecting your reputation. But do not worry, because Ajay Pipes is the answer to all your problems. Introducing the most reliable pipe brand offering the full range of high-quality plumbing equipment that will give 100% satisfaction to all your customers and give your business the much-needed boost. How? Simple. Our amazing products are designed for installation with minimal supervision in a much lesser time than our competitors. This will reduce your costs, site completion time and workload, while also giving you the chance to take up more jobs. On the other hand, there are bound to be zero complaints and maximum customer satisfaction. All Ajay Pipe drainage and plumbing systems come with a superior performance and higher value for money than any of our competitors, as we offer an additional range of benefits to all our clients, such as special schemes, site conversion services, complete technical support, full range, registration benefits with the company. Our products will make your installation process easier and about 16% faster than any other brands out there. There is bound to be a 30% reduction in maintenance needs, 32% higher durability with no signs of rusting and a 24% growth in performance of the drainage systems overall. The residents of the building also see 7% less breakages, 12.5% lower leakage cases, no bad odor and absolutely no harmful effect on the health of their drinking water. They even said that our systems are about 29% easier to clean and declog than most. The best part is that you will find the complete range of plumbing and drainage pipes and fittings for all your customers' need in one single place, including new generation CPVC pipes and fittings for hot and cold water, UPVC pipes and fittings for cold water, SWR pipes and fittings for internal drainage, foam core pipes and fittings for underground drainage, and many other systems and accessories. In fact, in the last 56 years of being the oldest PVC pipe ISI license holder brand across India, we offer India's most certified 1750 plus products with 15 Indian and American certifications and approvals after having them successfully tested for 101 critical parameters. These products carry many unique features that give them enhanced durability, superior performance, and make them easier to install. With 5 state-of-the-art manufacturing plants located on 2 continents, 6 overseas offices and 9 warehouses across India, we are able to manufacture and export our products to over 32 countries globally, while our customer service team of 132 plus field employees spread across India enables us to respond to requests within 4 hours of generation. Together, our team has completed plumbing and drainage installations in 1400 plus residential projects, 110,000 plus individual houses, 142 plus hotels, 63 plus hospitals, 210 plus industrial locations, and has trained over 53,000 professional plumbers so far. These projects include some of the biggest names in the industry like Tata Housing, Taj, Hilton, Adani Group, DLF, and many more. Let us show you what our customers are saying about us.
And now we invite you to get on board with the best plumbing and drainage brand in India. To know more about us, visit www.ajaypipes.com or get in touch with us today.